You make time for things that are important, like tonight. So what do you think?
This is very nice and interesting.
So this is the surprise that I've been planning for many weeks now.
I'm so excited that I'm scared.
Put your phone down.
One second.
No looking at your phone.
Okay, just last. Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. I already know what you're going to have. He will have the salmon as a main course. And I think to start, we'll have salad.
I don't mind. मेरे लिए स्वाद, इनके लिए स्वास्थ्य. What's this now?
Jenga with a twist. Let's find out, actually.
Okay. What's written on this?
So there's a question.
So, shouldn't I be asking that? मैंने निकाला, मैं पूछूंगा. So how do you make time for love when life gets chaotic?
You make time for things that are important, like tonight. I've made time for it, you've made time for it.
I think chaos में भी हम लोग मजे कर रहे हैं, नहीं?
I think so.
It's good.
Now my turn.
Yep. Oh, you can't.
You can't use both hands?
No, you can't.
I didn't know that.
Shabash.
Are there any childhood rituals that you are using today in your own home?
गला खराब हो तो हल्दी, हनी, अदरक का रस.
तो हर घर में होता है.
तो मेरे घर में भी होता.
आपके घर में.
मेरे घर में भी होता था ना.
Your turn.
अच्छा. Okay, अगला सवाल. Something you tried because of your partner that's now totally yours.
Why did you ask me like that?
Because I know.
I would say that you have taught me patience. Just think before you speak.
Is that why you're patiently waiting for our starter?
An us moment, you and me, Kunal, that deserves a permanent place on a Titan watch face.
Oh, that's a nice one. Watching the sunset in the Maldives for the first time.
That definitely is one of my favorite memories. That goes up there. Okay, you're doing quite well. It's gonna fall.
No, it's not.
Oh! That means I win!
All hail the winner.
Thank you.
Oh, and the food is here. Jenga was fun, man.
But I have more planned.
No way.
Yeah.
What?
Ready?
Yeah. Hey? Where'd you keep that? Is it a watch?
No. It has something to do with time, though.
No way. This is so nice.
It's a little walk down memory lane.
Remember this?
I do remember this. It was Disneyland.
What year?
The year I don't remember, but I remember you going on the roller coasters and me holding the bags.
Oh, this is so sweet. Abba and you.
I don't have many pictures of Abba and me, so all of them are quite precious.
ये वाली मुझे खासकर याद है क्योंकि इसमें आपने सेवइयां बनाने की जो एक्टिंग की.
एक्टिंग नहीं की थी मैंने.
इतनी लाजवाब. लेकिन वो सेवइयां किसने बनाई?
मैंने बनाई. I cut, I chopped, I mixed. That's like pretty much cooking.
You cut what?
The sevaiya.
You cut the sevaiyan.
The long cream colored.
I rest my
straw
case.
thing. Do you remember what year this was?
ये कब की है मुझे नहीं याद.
This was also a Titan campaign we did many years ago.
Oh, nice. Titan's been in our life for a long time, huh? मेन कोर्स मजेदार था. सरप्राइज भी. अब क्या?
अब तो dessert होगा ना? And with dessert, no, you have to earn your dessert.
What do you mean?
So the final round. तो मैं आपसे करूँगी सवाल और आपको कहना है true or false.
और कोई ऑप्शन है?
So if you get it right, you get to have some dessert. If you get it wrong, I get to. I was wearing red when I met your parents for the first time.
I think false. I don't think you were wearing red.
I was not wearing red.
Yay! So I get to eat.
Inaya's first word was Papa.
False. Her first word was Mama.
It was Mama, and I recorded it. You were the first one to gift something in our relationship.
I think true.
I don't remember.
You don't remember. You can have a dessert.
Yeah, I get remember that. I think it was you though, but still, I want to try.
Yeah.
I can do a somersault. I can do a somersault.
In your imagination.
In my mind, I can do a somersault. One day I'll manage.
But false. What are you eating for?
Because it's too young.
Okay.
Well, that brings me to the end of my game. I hope you enjoyed it.
No.
No?
I really enjoy it. I must say, you're always good at planning things. The this time you executed them even better.
Oh, thank you.
And I'm very happy that I made time for love because it's totally worth it.
Oh, thank you.
With Titan, there's always time for love.